Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to move darts on a bodice block. So to start off, I traced out my mini bodice block several times, front and back. Okay, so the first movement I'm going to do is a center shoulder dart. So from the dart start point, I placed my ruler down and then lined it up to the middle of the shoulder and then marked this in with a line, as this is going to be your new dart. So then go ahead and cut down this line and then close the old dart by folding it over, and then this will open out your new dart. So now I'm going to do an underarm dart. Again, I placed the ruler down at the dart start point and then lined it up with my new point and drew it in. Again, go ahead and cut down the new line and then close the old dart like before. Okay, so now I have an arm's eye dart and I'm pretty much repeating the same step as before. It's just a different point each time. Okay, so this one is a neckline dart. Learning how to move darts within your block opens up a whole lot more options when you're designing clothing. Okay, so now I'm doing a center front dart. If you're going to use this in a design, just remember you're going to have to put up a seam up the middle, as you're not going to be able to cut this out on the fold. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the back and I'm going to do a neckline dart. It's pretty much the same process as the front block. You're cutting open your new dart and then you're closing your old one. Okay, so next I'm doing a back arm's eye dart, and this again is exactly the same process. Okay, so last but not least, I have the outer shoulder dart. So I really hope you found this video helpful in any way. If you want to see more about dart manipulation, do let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to film that one for you. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and comment, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!